The Constitution is the highest law of the country. It applies to all law and conducts within South Africa. The Constitution contains different chapters that address different aspects of legal and government systems in the country. The most important chapter is Chapter 2, the Bill of Rights. The Constitution enshrines the rights of all people in our country and affirms the democratic values of human dignity, equality, and freedom. The state must respect, protect, promote, and fulfill the rights of the Bill of Rights. In general, to function from the Constitution guides your actions, which also supports the ethical principles that we need to apply to daily. The Bill of Rights is part of the Constitution and is the cornerstone of South Africa's democracy. It enshrines the rights of all people in our country and affirms the democratic values of human dignity, equality, and freedom. While we are entitled to these rights, we also have a responsibility to protect them. The Bill of Rights binds the legislature, executive, judiciary, and all other organs of state. Policies are the rules and have to be applied. Example, the working number of hours per month to earn a salary. Directives is an instruction. Example, when the budget allows salary increases, directives will direct the Human Resource Department about when and how much should be the salary increase. Guidelines give guidance and clarity and recommendation. Guidelines are not mandatory. How much consecutive leave days are to be taken at one time? It would be a guide by suggesting that a staff member will be more productive if leave is taken twice per year. Whereas SOPs are a practical implementation of, example, labor laws when making out of duties, considering number of hours that should be worked to earn a salary and number of hours allowed to work consecutively. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, are set step-by-step instructions compiled by an organization to help workers carry out routine operations. SOPs aim to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply. These rights apply to laws, administrative decisions, and acts performed during the period in which the Constitution is in force. In terms of the Constitution, every person has basic human rights such as everyone is equal before the law and has the right to equal protection and benefit of the law, freedom from unfair discrimination, the right to life, the right to human dignity, the right to freedom and security. As a nurse, it is important to always be guided by the Bill of Rights in our daily functioning. When making or participating in decision-making issues, be reminded that your choices should be based on what is covered in the Constitution, the patient's and client's rights. As a professional nurse, you are obliged to advocate for your patient or client when decisions are made, or if you make a decision, for example, any management aspect of the patient's care. As a professional nurse, it is important to lead by example. Juniors follow our behavior. For more information on the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, visit these consulted sources.